Well, here we are. We are past the halfway point. Some might say it's all downhill from here. Anyway, we're in lesson 9, and so here's kind of this is the outline of where we're gonna go today. We are shifting gears. We've looked at the physical universe, and now we're gonna kind of shift gears, and we're gonna just dip our toe lightly into physics. We've got a few equations, a little bit of math. I'll take it nice and slow. If you have questions, please stop, ask questions. You know, I'll do my best not to get real deep. You know, no calculus. We'll keep it to some simple algebra. All right. You know, we won't looking at take time derivatives of vectors and all that weird stuff. Okay. So, like I said,
Yeah,
if I
this was definitely my least favorite lesson of all.
well,
Like,
either A, you'll get
hated.
over it, or B, you won't.
I hated. I hated this entire lesson. No, you're a great teacher, so I love class. I just hated the lesson.
Okay. Well, let's take it, kind of step by step. We don't have to be in a rush here. Let's get everybody through it. Okay, and we'll do it. All right. But let me preface this by saying that the mere fact that we can come up with equations that describe what is happening in the physical world is evidence that there is an intelligent designer. There's a rational, you know, uh, intellect behind the universe and the way it works. Okay. All right. So let's get to it. I Years ago when I was in college, I started learning more and more stuff, and my brain's, the way God has wired my brain, I kind of like to organize things in ways that makes it better to understand how pieces fit together. And, when I was at the academy, I had to take philosophy courses and history courses and engineering courses and political science courses. And so all this stuff is running around in my brain, and my brain is trying to organize it. And so this is one slice of the way my brain organized things. Right shortly after God created the universe, we had ancient cultures that started thinking about the nature of, the universe, and they concluded that there's the physical side, there's the material side of things, there's the immaterial side of things. And so, the philosophers came about. And then you had a group of those philosophers that kind of focused in on nature and how it functioned, and how the pieces worked. And that was an area called natural philosophy, which is kind of, if you look at my screen, at the top there, I've got philosophy, and then natural philosophy came out of that. And one of the things that came out of natural philosophy were two foundational things. One's called math, and one's called physics. And math, there's a whole column there of different kinds of math. Something as simple as counting and number theory, your basic arithmetic, add, subtract, multiple, divide. You've got geometry and algebra and trig, calculus and differential equations, and on and on and on. And, so there's this whole arena of math. And then you have this whole other side of things called physics. And physics is kind of gotten a little more, uh, uh, specified or specialized in the area of chemistry and biology and engineering. And with engineering, there's a whole bunch of different flavors of engineering. And within chemistry, there's organic and inorganic. And biology, you've got molecular biology, and you've got, just on and on and on. So lots and lots of disciplines that come out of all of that. And in my brain, math is just a set of tools for doing science. Okay. But the fact that we have both is, again, is a huge testimony that there is a rational, intelligent being behind all of this that makes it all work. And so we're going to, like I said, we're going to stick our toe just lightly into the water of physics, just a little bit. Okay. So I do have a short video that I like to show my when I teach physics to my physics students, that kind of gives the outline. And so I want to share that with you. It'll kind of take you on a tour of everything that is physics. And then like I said, this is kind of an overview, and then we'll just lightly stick our toe into the water of physics. So go ahead and enjoy this video.